we are back with another Dollar Tree haul, and me still in my cast, or my sling, not for long though. So, we might have a couple more videos of me in this, so don't mind. But we have stuff in my hair, and dry shampoo, and we have a Dollar Tree haul today. So definitely grab a snack, grab a drink, hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos, because this is a pretty good haul if you ask me. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing we got are these 2-pack scalp massagers, and you get 2, and they're removable pads for easy cleaning, and you can use these with wet or dry hair. So these are great. I love scalp massagers. Can also be used with your favorite shampoo for invigorating cleanser. So we got those. Then we got, these are back, and honestly, these are my favorite little razors. These are fantastic. So girlies, if you see these, please grab them. They are great. So we got those. Then we did get, okay, now this is all the new collection. LA Dolce Vita collection. So the first thing we have is a cheek tint cream mousse blush, and this is in cherry gelato. So, and buildable and blendable, so you can use these on your cheeks and your lips. So we have this first one, cherry gelato. Then we have tinted lip balm, hydrating pop color, and passion. I can't really tell. It's in cursive and I suck at cursive, literally. So, but we have this one, such a cute design. If you guys want like a full video of me swatching and trying all this, please let me know. Then we got some brightening drops, which I'm very excited for because I know we've seen like bronzer drops and stuff, but never these kinds. So we got this. Okay, we got 2 of those. Then we got the clear brow gel, which I love a good clear brow gel. So we got that. Then, we got another cherry gelato. Didn't realize. Then we got, is this the same one? Yeah, this is the same. Lip is the other one. Then the lip and cheek balm, just swipe and go. And this is in nude peach. It's like the color. How pretty is that though? So we have that one. Then we have some more micro brow tattoos. So they have this one. This is the light brown, and then of course they had a dark brown, but I got light brown. So we got that. Then we got the Dewy Glow Setting Mist Lock-In Makeup in Watermelon. Hell yeah. So we got this. Then we got another lip and cheek balm, and this is in Natural Mauve. I can't really tell the difference between the two really that much, but still so pretty. Then we got the, of course, setting spray in Green Grape. Oh. So we got that. Super nice. Yeah, you have to shake it. So we got that. Then, okay, Natural Mauve, we just showed that. Then this is the other one. This is in Tinted Lip Balm in a more me, but it's definitely more like pinky. Oh, Fig. So we got this one. Then we got, everything's falling. We got the Cheek Tint Cream Mousse Blush in Hazelnut Gelatos. This one, I'm definitely going to do like a bronzer blush situation. Got that. And then, I think that is everything I got. I'm trying to see in my pile if that's everything now. Maybe there's something else. And then we got the bronzing drops. So I knew there was something else. So, broadening drops. And then there was mascara and eyeliner, but I did not get that. But that is like the face stuff that I got, so I'm super excited. I'm definitely gonna try. I'll do a whole video if you guys want that. But now let's move on to the next bag. So we got the blush lighter in Charming. I'm obsessed with this pink. Then we got the Power Stick Leave-In Conditioner in Pacific Nights. Finally, I was waiting for this scent to come out in it. I love this. So we got that. Then we got the original Derma Beauty Fresh Cherry Facial Mask. The Korean skincare is great from DT, honestly. So we got that. Then, super random, but I found another one of these beauty fans. These are great for setting your face after makeup, trust me. So we got that. Then we got the Korean Strawberry Face Mask. Then I got my favorite makeup brushes of all time. So got those. Then we got the Melting Lip Balm in Shortcake, my favorite one. My favorite Pumping Gloss Stick in Rosé. This was going in a gift basket though. Then we got the Roll-On Lip Oil in Aloe Vera. These were all going in gift baskets, but still I felt like I'd haul them. The Collagen. Then my all-time favorite little, lip balms. These are the cooling ones. These really do cool your lips. So we got that for the gift basket. Then we got the Coconut Lime. I'm like half a fan, half not of these. Like, I like the way they smell, but they go on weird. Does that make sense? But got that. Then we got the blush lighter in Captivating. I'm obsessed with this shade. This is definitely going to be like my 3-in-1 highlighter, bronzer, blush, like all of it. So we got that. Then we got, the Vitamin C. I'm doing like a makeup bag if you can't tell. Then we got the Hydro Plus Water Gel compared to Neutrogena. I love this stuff, so I thought it'd be perfect for my little beauty basket. I love this, so got that. Then, I don't know if I just did this one. This is the Charming Blush Lighter. Can't remember what I did and what I didn't. Captivating, we just did, yeah. Sorry, I have multiples of each because of my gift basket. Okay, this is Cherished. I know we didn't do that one. Okay, then I got a blue little case for the blue hand sanitizer. This thing's choking me. Then my aunt got me the little squishy carrot pen. I'm obsessed with this actually. So she got me that. Then we got this Berry Sweet Blueberry Scented Lip Balm. This was on like a random shelf. I was like, oh yes, please. So we got that. Then we got the Blush Butter Balm in Cherry Spritz. I actually love this. Also, and another thing, if you guys want me to do like a yays and nays from DT, let me know too. Let me know what videos you guys want. Glow Up Lip Oil. Finally, I found one that was all the way filled, so I grabbed it. Then we got the Exfoliating Lip Serum. And then this one is the Hydrating. These are great. Then we got the Sunkissed Pink Blush. This one's my favorite of the whole collection, so I got that for the gift bag. Then we got the 2-in-1 Lip Care Pot from Beauty Impressions. This one is Firms with Collagen, Lip Mask, and Lip Scrub Duo. So we got that one. Then we got the, which one is this one? The Aloe Vera, perfect for summer. Then we have the blush lighter in Charismatic. Yeah, again, this will be a blush highlighter duo for me, but it's going to get basket. Then, haven't seen this in a while, but this is my favorite primer. This is the e.l.f. dupe, so we got that. Then we got the Carefree little blush lighter, definitely a bronzer for me. Then we got this huge hair clip, which, as you can see, I love Dollar Tree hair clips, so I got this one for summer because I thought it was so cute. So, got that. Then, another random thing, my aunt got me this little duck pen. I love ducks. You guys can't see, well, peeps. I love ducks, so she got me this pen. Then, my all-time favorite powder, I tell you guys all the time, I found one. This is the best powder ever. Then we got this Dermaprep Hyaluronic Acid Dermaprep little face mask, Korean Beauty Care. Then we have this black snail mask, Korean Beauty Care. I'm very intrigued to try this. Then we got the Vitamin E Lip Scrub Duo. So that is that huge bag. But that is all for this haul. Could be a wrapper. But that is all for this little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, because I know there's tons of new finds coming around, especially for summer. I cannot wait for the new summer collections. But yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel. Let's grow this channel. But yeah, definitely, and don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see. Vlogs, DIYs, whatever. Comment down below. Subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.